far the work has gone to for the repair of the road?
So as you, the landslide that you have mentioned as is clear from the visuals, it's quite a major landslide. The entire road has caved in. So at the start also the NHIDCL said that it's something that they cannot really repair in 1 month or 2 months. They'll require a substantial time. Their expert from Iit Guwahati has already visited. Today itself, in fact, SDO Peninsula has called a meeting at 11 a.m. I'm still waiting for the minutes of the meeting. But then the instruction which I have given to my SDO is that this monitoring has to be done on a bi-weekly basis. Simultaneously, NHIDCL will have to give clear deadlines for every actionable point, whether it is, let's say, expert report, whether it is the start of the work, whether it is end of the work, and those clear deadlines will have to be adhered to. So rest assured, from the SDO civil administration side as well as our district administration side, we are taking it up with the NHIDCL to make sure that this road is restored or some subway sort of thing is provided at the earliest possible.
Any timeline has been set?
So again, I'm waiting for the minutes of the meeting, because earlier timelines, though, today is a meeting wherein they will have to give clear timelines about the different activities, and again after receiving the minutes of the meeting only I'll be able